Virtual reality immerses us in rich visuals and sounds. But tactile feedback is usually limited to hands or the upper body. As a result, users can unknowingly intersect virtual objects outside their field of view, breaking presence and believable avatar physics. What's missing is awareness of obstacles around the user in VR. Delivered by an easy-to-wear peripheral, enabling warning of obstacles as the user approaches them. We propose a wireless haptic belt that can be easily worn at the waist. The belt has 6 actuators around the waist, driven wirelessly from a VR headset to the belt Raspberry Pi. 2 signals, a sharp pulse on collision, and a gentle signal that renders the proximity of obstacles and their direction to the user. Our first user study let participants stand in a 5 by 8 meter court surrounded by obstacles. Participants must reach a series of 15 round targets as quickly as possible without hitting the obstacles. To simulate task's distraction, the participant had to report whenever the digit displayed above the goal changes to 1. Belt use, particularly proximity rendering, helped users reduce collisions, even during intense play. We found that participants preferred the belt cues, especially a combination of a proximity signal and collision effects. Study 2 examined a more relaxed task in which participants walked through a room at their own pace, toward a goal. However, the participants have to walk around the room, also in the dark, trying to avoid hitting the furniture. The belt's proximity rendering enabled participants to avoid the furniture earlier. The game used the belt's directional haptic rendering as a gentle cue for nearby crystals that have yet to be seen or heard. The bridge experience uses the belt's haptic vibration to simulate the bridge's sway. The haptics add to the mental model generated by the visuals. Please refer to the paper for further details and results.